What if Mother Nature didn't force you back inside? You can enjoy your outdoors, rain or shine, with an Elements Rain Proof Pergola. The internal framework is comprised of structural aluminum, strong enough to withstand wind, hail, or snow. Our pergolas are engineered for strength. The aluminum base is wrapped in premium vinyl, a low-maintenance material that requires no painting or staining, and cleanup requires nothing more than soap and water. We cap off the structure with our waterproof polycarbonate panels to protect you and your space from rain, snow, and sun. Where traditional pergolas lack real shade, our rainproof panels are made with layers of polycarbonate that block harmful UV rays and create shade to lower the temperature under your pergola. Our Elements Rainproof Pergolas can be constructed as either freestanding or attached structures. They can be ordered in almost any size, and all pieces are trimmed to fit your unique space. And yet, they're easy to build, suitable for both handy DIYers and contractors alike. All of our products are made right here in our Midwest fabrication shop, custom designed and packaged as soon as you place your order. Our customer service team provides you with video tutorials and an installation manual, with phone, email, and chat support available from start to finish. Create an outdoor extension of your home with a space you can actually use, regardless of the blazing sun or a passing shower. Be free from the elements.